How to use AT&T Trade-In Program. To use the AT&T Trade-In Program, you must submit a request online or visit AT&T retail store within 30 days of activating your new device. This program converts your eligible old smartphone into monthly bill credits or an AT&T promotional card. So what you can do is, first of all, value your old device. Visit the AT&T Trade-In portal by simply opening any web browser of your choice, then tap on the search bar, type ATT and type Trade In. Now, once you type this, go ahead and access the official site from here. Then proceed to select your device brand, model, and storage capacity. Once you access the condition, apply the code itself. Now, once you prep your smartphone, pack and ship the items. And there you go. And that is how you can use AT&T Trade-In programs. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.